Hello everybody, my name is Shawn Hindes. I'm currently a Senior Master Sergeant in the Air Force. I've been in the Air Force a little over 18 years. I've been pursuing a degree in sociology. This is one of my last 3 classes, so I'll be graduating hopefully in April. I've been married for a little over 11 years to my wife. I have 2 children and 1 grandchild. I currently live in New Jersey. I've been here about 8 days now. I'm in the process of moving up here. Haven't really found a place to live, but I'm in the state at least. Still trying to figure that part out. Why did I choose Brandman? Well, I started this journey at Travis Air Force Base in about 2008. They had actual classroom classes there, and I enjoyed the interaction with the other students of being able to go to actual class. I moved around a couple times and just kind of stuck with it. Took a long break off, and when I started class again, I wanted to keep the Brandman because I already had quite a few classes done, and I didn't want to start over. Why I chose sociology? So I've always really enjoyed history and politics. I've always enjoyed studying the interactions between people. I don't really have any intention of using the degree in a professional way. It was more to advance my career in the military, get a degree, and move along with that. Ultimate goal is to pursue a master's degree in organizational management, and this will help me get there. Why did I choose this course? I don't really have an answer for that. It's more of a means to an end. It was chosen by my advisor. It sounded like an interesting course, so I said go ahead and put me in it. What kind of student am I? I'm usually very interactive in the discussions. Honestly, I'm just ready to be done. I'm ready to get my degree. I'm so close I can see the end at the light at the end of the tunnel. This recent move has gotten me off to a late start, but I'm getting there. Discussion board strength. So I'm not afraid to speak my mind. I'm a little older, and I'm almost finished my degree, so I know my way around the boards, and so I think I could be a value addition to all the discussions here. What's my expectations of others? So I usually don't want to make judgments prior to people participating. All that I ask is people remain respectful and honest, and so we can have good discussions back and forth.